So, good morning everyone. My name is Chelsea Pavilion, and today we're going to explore the two important concepts in data. There are asymmetric and symmetric distribution. And now, I know that the words might sound a bit technical, but they are actually all around us, even in school. Think about the things like student test scores and the time they take to grab lunch, and or how tall people are. These patterns often fit into either balanced, predictable, shape, or more uneven, skewed one.
Good morning, class. Today we're talking about distribution and how data points spread out. And lucky for us, we have two special guests visiting our class. Help me welcome Sim and Asim. Yes. So, Sim and Asim represent two types of data distribution. So, Sim, would you like to go first?
Hi everyone, I'm Sim. You can think of me as the go-to person for all things balanced and even.
And I'm Asim. I'm a bit more, let's say, unpredictable. Sim and Asim, you will now see. So, Sim and Asim represent two types of data distribution. So, Sim, would you like to go first?
In this curve, imagine you measure the heights of all students in the school. Most of us somewhere in the middle, not super short, not super tall, but you get this even bell curve.
It's boring.
No offense, but life is not always about being neat and tidy.
True, Asim. Why don't you tell us more? Gladly, miss. Picture this. You're timing how long it takes for students to line up for at the cafeteria. Some get there super fast, but there's always a few who take forever because they're chatting or looking at their phones. And that's what we call right skew distribution.
Oh, and what about the test scores?
Exactly. In a top math test, some students might get score well, but there's always a few students that struggles, and that's what we call left skew distribution. Good example, both of you. Class, why do you think it is important to differentiate between symmetric and skewed data? See, ma'am, so we can figure out if our data is unusual. Exactly. Symmetric data is predicting average. But when data is skewed, we have to be careful. The average might not tell the whole story.
That's why I love symmetric distribution. That's reliable.
Oh, and I think skewed data distribution is more interesting. It shows how life being isn't always perfectly balanced. Both types are important, just like in both. Understanding them help us make sense of the world, from analyzing events to making better decisions in business and science. So, Sim and Asim, can you come here in front?
Once again, I'm Symmetric, Sim for short.
And I'm Asymmetric, Asim for short.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Understanding symmetric and asymmetric distribution is essential in data analysis. Symmetric distribution, like a normal curve, are balanced and make prediction easier. And asymmetric distribution, such as income and stock prices, are uneven and require different approaches. Recognizing these patterns help us in making better decisions in economic, sciences, and in finance. Both types are crucial in accurate data interpretation and even in research.
The conclusion is we've seen how symmetric distribution are neat, balanced, and reliable. Think of rolling dice or measuring heights. On the other hand, asymmetric distribution reflect real-world chaos, like those long lunch lines or unpredictable test results. Both types of data have their place and value.